hwn yw'r unig le mae pawb gallu dod i gwrdd a mae luncheon club dyn ni 3 gwaith yr wythnos a mae lot o bethau eraill yn mynd â'n so ni'n trial yn gorau i gael y gymuned i ddod yma gymaint maen nhw gallu.
The Sustainable Development Fund has helped Ystradowen over quite a few years. It initially helped them with some capital works and then subsequently helped them to employ a minibus driver so that they could transport people from the local Ystradowen area but also in areas further afield as far as Brecon. Latterly, we've been supporting the employment of a development worker really to kind of push forward some of the ideas that they had.
The Lunch Club has been running for 7 years on a voluntary basis. It was set up by Canolfan County Council first of all, and then the community took it over, basically to combat isolation and loneliness issues, so they can have a good hot meal.
Ni'n byw wrth yn unen, a ni gael cynnig i ddod yma, a mae bus yn pigo ni lan, agos ni ffili cerdded yn bell. Ni'n byw am y television, na'r ni cwmpni ni'n gael. Mae'n cwmpni neis, mae stryd a popeth na.
Am yr quiz dyn ni, am yr Who Wants to be a Billionaire, ond mae'r trafodaeth dyn ni fyd ar ôl y quiz. Mae'n bwysig.
Ni'n trafod pethau pwysau ambell waith, pethau mawr y byd, pethau bach.
Am fi wedi gweld gwaniaeth ers bod fi wedi dechrau. Ond fel mae bobl yn cael hyder, maen nhw'n siarad mwy, maen nhw'n trafod ei gilydd yn ystod y quiz, maen nhw'n sdim ots dyn nhw i ateb mas. Lot o bethau fi wedi gweld wedi...
Maen nhw'n nabod ei gilydd, maen nhw'n trysto ei gilydd.
There are people in poverty in relation to the cost of fuel. Now, by us running the fuel club, we could negotiate with the oil companies. So we have a minimum of order now of 250 litres, which is far more affordable to the elderly and especially the single-parent families.
TRV is a mother and toddler group that runs every Tuesday morning for all children between newborn to preschool. We do lots of parties, events, activities for all the children, and it's a place where they can develop their Welsh language because we are under the umbrella of Media Maithrin.
Wel, mae 2 o plant y fi. Mae'n dod mas o'r tŷ, maen nhw'n joio, maen nhw'n ware dy ffrindiau nhw, maen nhw'n neud ffrindiau.
Without the funding, we wouldn't have been able to start. It was very important that we had Emily on board and to basically keep her as well because she's an intrinsic part of this centre.
We are developing towards sustainability, so we don't have to depend on grants. We want to build on the groups and facilities we've got during the services, so we can carry on providing the much needed services and activities in the area.
The fund at the moment is quite wide-ranging, and therefore, working with us, I'm sure that we can help to develop the right project for your community.